Natraj Corrugating Machinery Co. Automatic corrugation plant, 200 meters of boards per minute. Paper reel transportation. Paper reel loading onto the machine. Hydraulic adjustments in reel stand. Preheated rollers to control moisture in paper. Adding glue for bonding. Making of two-ply sheet to separate papers are bonded together. Second paper is fed into the machine. Two-ply sheets gets collected in the storage conveyor. Second set of ply sheets under process. B-flute get collected in storage conveyor. The two-ply sheets are passed through the gluing section and glue is applied for bonding and fed into the double baker for bonding and drying. The board then passes through 12 hot plates for drying. And then through 6 cooling plates to adjust the board to room temperature. The trim waste gets collected in the dust collector and goes to the shredder where it gets cut into small pieces. The board are finally passed through the cutters and cut to required sizes. The final board gets collected in the stacker ready for next operation. Stacking of boards. Types of corrugation. In order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear of failure.